Zentech was founded in 2007 with a goal of improving the dog's life and comfort. The founder, Janice Kayanoff, an expert in textiles and clothing design, experienced her beloved bulldog overheating. Out of this, she developed and patented a dog coat using technical fabrics that not only kept the dogs from overheating, but also is a raincoat and is warmer than fleece in the winter. Zentech was eagerly accepted by the professional dog owners and handlers. Agility disc dogs, flyball, dock diving, and AKC and UKC show dog owners all contributed to the products you see. They continue to evolve now into the pet world. We now have taken the perfected fit of 10 sizes, made an adjustable coat in 4 sizes. This allows a customized fit with fewer sizes. All Zentech products are made in the USA. Since our clothing is seasonless, you never lose money to seasonal markdowns. Shipping costs are low, as the coats weigh 4 ounces to 14 ounces, and the mats from 6 ounces to 20 ounces. We then developed the vest for the owners. They were feeling left out. It is designed with mini and large secure pockets for dog training or just traveling. Because of the temperature regulating effects, patients with autoimmune diseases and MS are using them to soften the heat effects of their symptoms. Others just find the vests addictive. We seem to always reach for the vest rather than other clothing. Zentech has now expanded into Canada and Japan, providing even more dogs and owners with the comfort they deserve.